Why you always do this?
What? I can upload it.
In the memory?
Yes. It's okay.
I tried all
Try it first again. It's like ano. It's like fries. Tastes like fries. Yummy? Kamay na ka ng okay mo. Show it. Very big.
heavy.
No, it's very big. Big okay. Sarap ng suka. Tastes like potato. Yummy? It's yummy. The okay is very yummy. Sarap. So, super sweet. Gawa ng potato. Yeah, you need to show it so that they will see what's inside. You can check what's inside.
I don't know what's that.
There's a potato, kamote chips. And also potato, I think. Very hot. Comedor. We're in Comedor. Kamayin na natin. So yummy. Ang tamis ng kamote. Like it? Guys, appetizer lang to. Kakabusog na. Kadi oh. Taste it. Come on. Yeah, this one. It has kamote. See? The kamote. Yeah. It's not it. Yeah, tagal pa ng rice. Hot. Bebe, oh.
I'm playing.
Taste mo muna yung lumpia. Come on, we're waiting for the rice. I'll taste it. Come on, here. Here. It's hot, ah. Ah, hot. Yung rice na lang. Yes, thank you.
Spicy.
No, it's not spicy. Sinigang. Sweet na sinigang. Sinigang na baboy. Wow. Rice. One garlic rice.
Barbecue na lang.
Chicken barbecue. Oh, rice. Thank you. rice. Ang dami ng rice nila. Tapos yung garlic rice. Chicken barbecue. Daddy, sit down ka na. I'm gonna get you okra. You want okra?
Yes.
Oh, sit down ka.
I'm putting it here.
Sit down. Oh. Come on, I'm gonna give you the food. Oh.
Is it hot?
No. Eat na. It's time for you to eat the plain rice. 80 pesos ang plain rice. It's very pricey. Para sa isang cup of rice. Oh, come on. Yeah. It's time for you to eat. Come on, Daddy. Okra.
We still need to buy Zia baby.
Later. Later.
Is it baby stuff?
You want lumpia? The lumpia.
Did you give her a basketball for the mini basketball for babies?
Eat ka na muna. Eat na muna.
Oh, I know. A mini basketball with a play with a ball, with a mini volleyball, and a basketball outside.
Oh. Come on.
Pero ibang links ngayon, nakapuntahan mo.
Get your spoon. The chicken. Chicken inasal.
Can't be
It's wet.
cool.
It's not
No, it says can't chew.
yeah. You eat na. Get the soup na. Get mo yung soup. Nanagat sinigang. Asin. You like it? Get the soup. Get mo itong lumpia. Let's leave it here. Paano na? Paano ka na? It's dripping. Finish? Finish? Get up to the top. Get the rice, huh? There's okra too. Drink your water, Daddy.
Oh,
Ganun. Get the soup. Soup ka, bebe. Ito pa rin yung off-foil. Grabe ang asin. cannot give you. Get your soup. Ayan, sabi ko na eh. Dahan-dahan. Get me, pork. Get the soup, Daddy. Like it? So yummy. The lumpia Shanghai. Want lumpia? Eat the lumpia. Half rice. Rice tayo. Lahat. Kaji, come here. Move ka dito, drink your water. Move here. Let's wait for Daddy. Daddy's in the back. Get your soup. I'll get the soup. Come on.
Kumain si Kabi.
Kaka-chicken lang namin kagabi. Tikman mo ko anong lasa.
What if the city is full of ghosts?
Ha?
May sauce po.
Mommy, I have another part 3 of what I'm saying for the ghosts.
Okay, what's your saying? What are you saying?
Okay. So when there's a ghost in your house, will you go to the church?
Yes.
So and then the priest will
Sarap.
blast
Sarap nga eh. Pati yung oko yung sarap.
So the priest will blast
Pati yung
them with-
lumpia.
Mommy, will the priest, and this is part 4, will the priest will also blast the ghost with holy water?
Yes. Maybe use the holy water. Drink your water first.
Why would Miss Rhea bless us with the holy water last time? She did. She just did that.
Ito yung sausawan lang. Ay, bawal ka nga pala.
Again, full. Mommy.
Sinigang.
Again, full.
Okay. Lumpia. Yes. Okay. And anong tawag dito, love?
Motor chicken barbecue.
Chicken barbecue. Daddy, last one. Daddy. Last one. Come on, eat lumpia. Oh.
Kanina pa.
Ha?
Fine.
Siguro mga 10 minutes na. So, ay, bago nga pala sa'yo.
Baka sige pa kasi ginagawa niya yung third yung isa.
Ayun, tumutulo na kayo. Ay. Drink your water ka. Soup mo, soup. Forward ka, soup. Mami. Patikim nga, love. Patikim. May sauce pala siyang kasama. May kanin, ayaw may kanin.
Mataw ka na.
Sarap. Sarap, parang Reyes barbecue. Parang peanut sauce niya ata yan ah. Parang siya may peanut. Give a peanut sauce.
Yes, sir.
Isn't that chips? That's an actual
Ayaw na bumay sila doon.
Pag ano, breakfast buffet, oo. May breakfast buffet sila. Mukhang masarap din siguro dahil ang sarap ng food nila eh. Sarap talaga.
Hindi ganun kamahal.
Parang mura lang yung breakfast buffet nila dito eh. Nakita ko na yun eh. Wala ko 700 or 4.
Oh, good.
700 per head. Parang Gibaras.
Tingin mo, gamit mo lang kay Gia dyan sa Uniqlo. May Uniqlo ang tabi ng SMR. No?
Pwede rin naman. Ano ko yung sabi ko?